Hello everyone, welcome to the electrical circuit simulation series. In today's session, we will study about the positive clipper using the diode. So this is the circuit diagram we will be using, a very simple circuit diagram. The components, the first is the AC source, then we have the resistor, 100 ohms resistor, then we have the diode connected in this particular way so that the P is connected to the resistor and N part is connected to the ground, and then we have the ground connection to complete the circuit. This is the input we'll be using. This is the input signal, the sine wave. So this is the working when positive half. What happens when the positive half is passed through the circuit? So when the positive half goes into the, we get this particular output. Okay, it is there is a clipping action we can see. So you can see the dashed lines. These dashed lines are actually clipped by this particular diode. So because it clips the positive part, so we don't get this output, we only get this part because of the clipping action. So because in this particular mode, because of the positive half, the diode conducts, and because the diode conducts, we only get this particular output and not the entire wave. Now what I mean during the negative half, of the AC, when it goes, we get the entire wave, because in this case the diode is in reverse bias and the entire voltage comes across the diode. So this is the waveform we are getting. This is the input wave and this is the clipped positive half. So because positive half of the AC is clipped, so it is called as the positive clipper. Now we'll go for the simulation part.
So let us select the components. The first component we select is the waveform generator. That is the sine wave generator. That is the AC, then AC input, then we select a resistor, and then we select a diode. These are the three components we require. So I will just rotate it clockwise. So we need this such that the P is up and N is down, and we also need a ground. So we'll just connect a ground here. Now we connect the circuit. So here this one, then this to the P, and this to N, ground, N to ground. So this is the circuit is complete. Now we need a oscilloscope. So I'll just bring here the oscilloscope. So here we have the oscilloscope. We will connect two channels. The first channel we connect to the input of the AC. The second we connect to the diode, the P side of the diode. Now this circuit is complete. Now let us run this simulation. Start the power supply. So this is the output. I'll just expand the view. So this is the expanded view. As we can see, this let me adjust the time division. Okay, so this is the clipper. As you can see, the yellow wave, the yellow is the input. I'll just shift it up. Okay, I'll just shift it up, and this one, the channel 2, is our output. So as you can see that we are getting the negative part of the wave, but the positive is clipped. So if I combine this both, this will be more visible properly. As you can see, this wave is clipped. Okay, so this is how we are clipping the positive part of the wave. We are getting the full wave in the negative side, and the positive part is clipped. It is not going up. So this is how we can use this diode as a positive clipper. So it clips the positive part of the wave. Okay. So that's all for this particular session. Thanks for watching.